everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another hair tutorial with you guys. This is going to be a tutorial on how I get an at-home blowout because I've been using a new product that Revlon sent me. This guy here, it is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. It's got this cool oval shape and the bristles, and then it's a blow dryer and hair curler in one, like round brush. It's gonna help reduce frizz, and it's gonna help give you volume and overall just shiny hair. This thing is amazing with my morning routine lately. So I put together a little tutorial on how I do a little at-home blowout. So if you wanna see how I get an at-home blowout with this guy here, then please keep watching. All right, let's get started. So here is my super wet head. So I just towel dry it a little bit. I usually put some kind of heat protectant spray or cream in, but then I'm gonna go in with this guy. So it's got this like oval shape. It doesn't move, but it does have this little like handle here you can hold on to. This is the size of it here, and it plugs in, and this cord is like a no tangle cord so that when you spin it, it's not gonna tangle up on you, which is awesome. I hate when you like have something that spins and you're constantly unraveling it. So this is great. But I'm gonna show you guys how I use this. So you're gonna wanna start with a comb and just section off your hair. I'm gonna section off just the bottom, and then usually I just split the back like this. So this has settings high, low, cool, and off. And I usually stick to low, but when I'm in a really big hurry, I'll stick it on high and it's super duper quick. Let's do it on low so I can show you guys first. So just start with it at the root. So you really want to get it dry before you do any kind of shaping. Just go back and forth. And then you can start spinning it after it gets a little more dry. So you can see the kind of shape it creates. It creates that like going under volumized kind of look, and it definitely reduces the frizz. So I'm gonna continue with this bottom. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys just to show you what it looks like, and let's go. Now we're just gonna take the crown and pin that up. And then we're gonna do these other sections here. And since we're going under, that's gonna create that volume rather than going over. You could definitely go over, but this is gonna create that volume. Now we're gonna be onto the crown. Take the back section here and pin this up. We're just gonna continue with doing that for the rest of the top of the head. So just section by section. Now for this front section, you wanna take the brush and kind of push it forward so that it really gives that volume, so that when you lay it down, it's nice and volumized. All right, this is the final look. Normally I'd go in with like any products or like tease my hair, but you definitely don't need it with this. It's nice and shiny, less frizz, and just overall looks amazing. So, and this lasts all day. I've been using this for a while now, and the volume and like the curl from the blowout lasts all day. It is amazing. I absolutely love it, and I've definitely gotten compliments since I've started doing this rather than leaving my hair air dry, because that's just been my life lately. But this thing is so easy. It just completely eliminates having to use both the round brush and the blow dryer. So completely amazing, and I highly recommend it. So you can find this at RevlonHairTools.com. I will leave the information down below for you guys, as well as a link with a 20% off coupon for you guys too. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys have tried this out or what you think in the comments down below. And of course, as always, leave any questions you have as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.